forecast. Here's KATC Chief Meteorologist Rob Perillo.
Welcome back. Well, it's been a tricky pattern over the last couple of days where we've seen storms in the evening, storms overnight, storms in the morning, and that's pretty much what we had today. Storms mostly in the morning. Not much going on this afternoon, so let's take a look at the big picture across our region. And we have two upper level lows. We'll call them that because that's what they are. They're in the upper levels of the atmosphere. We're looking at 18,000 feet, and we have one up here by the Red River, Oklahoma, Texas, into Arkansas. Another upper level low that's sparking convection east of Florida. The Hurricane Center, keep an eye on this system. It's probably not going to develop, but maybe some locally heavy rain. Northeast Florida, coastal Georgia, Carolinas next couple of days. But this is the guy that's been giving us fits. Initially, earlier this week, going back to next week, we thought this was going to be farther south and we'd be drawing some deep tropical moisture in the area. That has not been the case, and thank you to this upper low. It's shunted all the deep tropical moisture that was in the Caribbean off to the east, but this is still allowing for storms, and where the storms form up is anyone guesses as this goes round and round it goes. You can see storms forming up in Texas this afternoon. This morning storms started here in Texas yesterday and then moved on through here, so tricky forecast. And in between, we're going to see a little bit more sunshine tomorrow, but still the risk of storms. Now, the threat of flooding rains to the north, severe weather all the way up through Iowa, and it's a wet go of it as you get into Mississippi and Alabama. But locally here in Acadiana, after those morning storms, you see how they moved on through. We left you last night. They were way back here in Texas and then edged into the area and moved across the region. So we had our rain chance there. Atmosphere stabilizes, but the activity back here to the west, as we see it forming up late this afternoon, will be moving into western and central Louisiana, maybe northern Acadiana parishes. So we're going to keep that rain chance in the forecast for at least early this evening. Most of us, though, look to stay quiet the way it is right now, but plenty of clouds across the area this afternoon. They should gradually fair out overnight tonight. Latest NAM model, and none of the models are doing a good job, so we're showing you 2 or 3 every weathercast, suggesting that showers and storms might be a little bit more prevalent in the morning, but notice they fall apart during the midday hours. I would think anywhere between 10 and about 3 in the afternoon, 10 in the morning, we'll see a scattering of showers and thunder showers. I'm going to keep rain chance at 40% tomorrow, but again, we'll see more sun. Then going into Thursday, a little bit more energy coming at us from that upper level low could spark a little bit more in the way of showers and storms, especially in the favored areas of eastern part of the state and down in the Gulf of Mexico. So here's the longer range pattern. There's that low finally departing out as we get into Thursday, Friday. So we do expect still the risk of a few storms perhaps Friday, but overall high pressure is going to try to edge in as we get into the weekend and beyond. So rain chances definitively dropping downward, and we'll notice those daytime highs getting closer to 90 or the lower 90s as we go into next week. So it's going to feel a little bit closer to summer, and notice the pattern pretty much staying high and dry from Sunday at least through Wednesday or Thursday of next week. So we're going to see those daily highs in the lower 90s. We've been pushing them off as long as possible, but it looks like they're on the horizon soon. So a few showers and storms overnight tonight, quiet thereafter. Rain chance 30%. That's kind of a hedge on the bet. The same with the rain chances tomorrow. More sunshine, but still the chance of storms. I will say especially midday hours. A few degrees warmer tomorrow than today. We'll go 50% on the rain chances for Thursday, and that's a soft 50%. And then rain chances toning down into the weekend. And notice temperatures toning up as we go beyond the weekend and into next week. And oh yeah, by the way, we hate to say it, hurricane season officially begins in 6 days. That's it for weather for right now. We'll be right back right after this.